Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to have a special announcement for you guys. Next week is the Dealer Expo. It's Dealer Expo 2011, which is important for several reasons. First, it's the 11th year that I'm exhibiting at the show. I've been there consistently in Indianapolis for 11 years. So this year I have something special in mind. I'm working with Josh Rogers, who is the presenter of the Scooter Sessions, maintaining a profitable scooter store in 2011. Now, Josh is the editor of Scoot Magazine, that's scootmagazine.com, the only scooter magazine in the United States, and it's the glue that kind of holds the industry together in this day and age when there is no other magazine. And also, he's an avid rider. The guy's been riding his whole life. He's probably the only rider I know that's traveled more than I have and ridden scooters in more countries than I have. So it's going to be a pleasure being there with him. And he's going to talk about scooter culture, integrating vintage stores with new stores and modern stores, and how to maintain a profitable store. So it's a must-see event for any new dealership looking to get into the scooter market, and existing dealers are trying to figure out, how do I stay profitable? Now, that's in room 131. It's going to be on Friday from 2:30 to 4. And on Saturday from 2:30 to 4. It's welcome to everybody in the industry. There's going to be some special guests. There's going to be some people from some of the major brands that are going to attend there, of course. And it's really for new dealers to talk about what they need to do and how to maintain a profitable shop. Of course, I'm going to be at the show. We have a booth there right next to Q-Link and Pitt Motors. It's booth 5379, I believe. That's the last time they changed this around. But look for Pitt Motors, CCW, Cleveland Cycle Works. We're right there, right next to them. We're going to talk about all the new scooter products that we have. And of course, clothing. Armadillo clothing is going to be on a full exhibit. And how you should display Armadillo in your store. We'll have the full selection of new Turbo Kit exhausts, of course. Some of the top dealers in the country are carrying this. You can also buy cycle gear. You can buy the Armadillo line from Cycle Gear, cyclegear.com. And some really big chains are starting to look at Turbo Kit as a way of maintaining a profitable scooter center. We'll have our LED lights from Street FX, NG disc brakes, sunglasses from Bertoni, made in Italy. Fantastic sunglasses. You should see me wearing these in a lot of my videos. Now, NG disc brakes, we'll have all the GY6, Zuma 125, all the conversion kits that you're seeing on there. Dorby Works sells a lot of these. They're probably the top dealer in the country. Check them out on Facebook. Fantastic. Made in Spain, made in Europe, high quality, stainless steel, anodized, fantastic designs from NG Disc Brakes. They're a world leader and manufacturer of disc brakes, and you'll see them at the booth. We're going to have the full display from scooters all the way to super bikes. Armadillo, it's a British brand, you can't miss it. Turbo Kit exhaust, plus over 30,000 parts that we've acquired in the last 2 years. So if you're looking for TNG, CPI, CF-MOTO, Lin-Hai, Malaguti, even some Vespa, Aprilia, Hyosung, Adley, TGV parts, we are becoming quickly the center of OEM parts. Now, anybody can get you cheap generic Chinese parts, but MRP now has the original factory. So we're talking about everything from Hyosung to TGV to Malaguti. Well, we don't represent these companies, and we're definitely not the original manufacturer. We are a fantastic third-party supplier of these parts. So if you're looking for parts for your scooters, for Powersports Factory scooters, or any of these other brands that have gone out of the market, definitely come by our booth. We can help you maintain a profitable service center. And of course, come to the show, come to the session that I talked about, room 131, Friday and Saturday from 2:30 to 4 with Josh Rogers and some special guests from the industry. We're going to talk about everything. Again, how to maintain a profitable scooter store, how to find the right suppliers, how to make sure that you're part of that scooter culture, how to eliminate expenses, not to spend money on things that you shouldn't be spending. And we're going to have a little interactive talk, and we're going to have some handouts. It's going to be great. Make sure to sign up now. It's free, dealerexpo.com. Pass by the MRP booth. We're going to be next to Pitt Motors, CCW. And I don't know yet. There's a word out there. You might see some new scooters that nobody's ever seen before. So make it work. Make sure you go out there to the Expo, dealerexpo.com. This is Dealer Expo 2011. That's as much as I have for you today. Anyway, I'll see you at the show next week.